Hey, welcome back to Guys Survival. How you guys doing? Today I'm bringing you a new everyday carry, I guess you could call it. At least it is for me. It's the Fenix LD15R flashlight. Now, I was a little hesitant on buying this simply because the light's on the side. I never had a flashlight that the light's on the side. I've always had them on the top. Now, with that being said, though, there's been times where I wish I could just kind of clip it on my jacket or my pants somewhere and just have the flashlight shining. But most times the flashlight is shining down. With that being said, I'm liking this. I'm really liking this a lot. You can just kind of clip it here to your shirt and turn it on. Yeah, turn it on like that. Let's see if I can do it. That thing's bright, right? There we go. Like I said, I was hesitant on buying it, but I've been using it for about 2 weeks, 3 weeks maybe now, and I'm enjoying it a lot. I get home at late from work, so it's kind of nice when I come home. I can turn it on, find the key, find the doorknob, and not walking into a dark house, and it's kind of nice. I'm still a little hesitant on it. I enjoy it a lot, don't get me wrong, but I'm just not used to the flashlight being on the side yet. It has a two-way body clip. Then it has a, I don't know if I can show it or not, a indicator right there on the battery level, which is awesome. On the bottom here it has a magnet. I don't have nothing magnetic around me to show you, sorry. But it's pretty strong. It's bright. It has a 500 lumen turbo light, which is awesome. Let's get into the little facts here. Like I said, it's 500 lumens. The dual light source, white and red light. UBS charger, rechargeable, which is awesome. It has a battery indicator, like I showed you, and a magnetic tail, which is pretty cool. It has 4 modes in white light, 3 modes in 3 modes in red light. Sorry about that. Turbo is 500 lumens. Low is 300 lumens. Medium is 30, and high is 150 lumens. That's in white light. Running time, turbo mode is 1 hour 20 minutes. Let's see. Low mode, which is 3 lumens, is 110 hours, that's pretty good. That's real good. And like I said, it has dual modes. It has red light, which is 4 lumens, a signal, which is 4 lumens, and an SOS, which is 4 lumens also. I don't give run times on that, which kind of stinks. The size is only 70 meters by 19 millimeters, of course. Weight's only 1.4 ounces, which is not heavy at all. I mean, look at this thing, guys. Come on. This thing is small. Huh? It's small. Come on now. This thing comes with a ion rechargeable battery, which is awesome. It comes with an extra battery. It comes with a battery already inside the flashlight and a battery here. They're both rechargeable, which is awesome. For some reason, it comes with a battery organizer. I don't know if yeah, there you go. It comes with replacement O-rings. Comes with this little carry-on bag, and it comes with a manual for those wimps that like to read on manuals. I'm not sorry. I shouldn't call you wimps. It comes with a warranty card, and it comes with a little pamphlet on different other flashlights that they sell. But for the price I paid for this, which was not bad. I think it was only like $50. I don't think that's bad at all for this whole thing. Me personally, I'll probably use it as an everyday flashlight. It's replacing my, basically it is replacing my pen light, which is about yay big. I think it's only like 100 looms, so a lot brighter. Don't have a magnet tail. Don't have dual looms. It's a lot longer, a lot more bulkier, but for the price, I can't beat it. In fact, I I talked my best friend into getting one, and I got this from Amazon. I didn't get it off Fenix website. About the same price, just shipping and handling was free. So, but I probably shouldn't have told you that. But honestly, guys, that's all I have. Fenix LD15R flashlight, everyday carry. Hope you guys love this video. Peace out. Oh, wait, I almost forgot. If you're brand new to this channel, please subscribe, ring that doorbell, and catch you later. Hey, today's Bible verse today is Psalms 22. Yeah, Psalms 22, verse 27 through 28. For the whole earth will acknowledge the Lord and return to Him. All the families of the nation will bow down before Him. For the royal power belongs to the Lord. He rules over all nations. You know, that is so important anymore. The way the Iran or Iraq or however you say it, starting blue missiles over here and us blue missiles over there, and these news people trying to impeach President Trump and all that good stuff. You know what? Who cares? Yes, it's important. Don't get me wrong, but there's only one God, only one love, only one president, and that's God. You know who God is today?